Hello and welcome to our English Easy Practice channel. In this video, we'll be sharing some fun and engaging conversations to help you improve your English skills. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, listening to and repeating these conversations will help you build your vocabulary, improve your pronunciation, and boost your confidence when speaking English. And remember, repetition is key. So be sure to watch this video multiple times and practice saying the phrases out loud. Let's get started.
Hey guys, let's talk about the coolest thing ever. Artificial intelligence.
Oh, AI? Isn't that like robots taking over the world?
Lily, you've been watching too many sci-fi movies. AI won't conquer the world, will it?
I hope not. I mean, AI is smart and all, but I don't want it to steal my job.
Relax, Emma. AI is here to help, not to make us all unemployed. It's like having a super smart assistant.
So, what can AI do, besides causing robot uprisings?
Oh, it can do a lot. Like predicting what you want to buy, or even what you want to watch on TV.
Can AI predict what I want for breakfast tomorrow?
Well, not yet, Max, but who knows?
But what if AI becomes too smart, like smarter than us?
Yeah, like in those movies where robots outsmart their creators.
Don't worry, we're far from that. AI is like a curious child, learning from us.
So, we're the teachers of the robots now?
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.
Exactly. We guide AI, and it makes our lives easier. But we still need humans to make big decisions.
That sounds better. I guess AI could help solve big problems like climate change.
Or finding my missing socks. They always disappear.
You might need a special AI sock trapper app for that.
And I'll create an AI chef to cook breakfast for me.
But seriously, will AI change everything?
It already has in some ways. But we'll adapt, just like we always do. Embrace the bots, Lily.
Okay, as long as they don't take over the world.
Don't worry, Emma. We'll keep an eye on them.
Uprisings. Uprisings refer to instances of rebellion or protest, where a group of people collectively oppose authority, government, or prevailing norms. Example sentence. The citizens organized uprisings against the unjust ruler, demanding freedom and fair treatment for all. Predict. To predict means to make an educated guess about a future event or outcome based on available information and patterns. Example sentence. The weather forecast predicted heavy rainfall for the weekend, prompting people to cancel their outdoor plans. Outsmart. To outsmart someone means to defeat them in a clever or cunning way, using intelligence or superior strategies. Example sentence. The young chess prodigy was able to outsmart his experienced opponent, surprising everyone with his strategic moves and ultimately winning the match. Hey John, have you heard about artificial intelligence or AI? I've been reading about it, and it seems like it's changing the world.
Oh yeah, AI is pretty fascinating. It's a technology that makes machines do tasks that would normally require human intelligence. There are so many benefits to it.
Definitely. One of the main advantages is increased efficiency. AI can process huge amounts of data much faster than humans, which helps in fields like healthcare, where it can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases accurately.
That's true. It can also help in industries like manufacturing, where robots powered by AI can assemble products more precisely, leading to better quality and lower costs.
And don't forget about AI's potential to make our lives easier. With virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, we can control smart devices and get information just by using our voice.
Absolutely, but we should also be mindful of potential drawbacks. One concern is job displacement. AI might replace certain jobs, leaving some people unemployed.
Hello, are you enjoying the story? Please give us a like. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a valid point. Another drawback is the reliance on AI. As we become more dependent on this technology, we might lose some essential skills and critical thinking.
You're right. Plus, there are ethical concerns too. AI systems need to be programmed properly to avoid biases and protect people's privacy.
True. It's essential to strike a balance and use AI responsibly to maximize its benefits while minimizing its drawbacks.
Exactly. As long as we approach AI with caution and awareness, it can truly be a powerful tool for positive change in the world.
Agreed. It's an exciting time, and I'm curious to see how AI will continue to shape our future.
Me too. Let's keep an eye on the developments and stay informed about its progress.
Diagnosing. Determining or identifying the nature or cause of a problem or issue, especially in the context of identifying diseases or medical conditions. Example sentence. The doctor is skilled at diagnosing rare illnesses and providing accurate treatment plans. Assemble. To put together or construct something by gathering its parts or components. Example sentence. The children were excited to assemble the new model airplane with the help of their father. Drawback. A disadvantage or negative aspect of something that offsets its positive qualities. Example sentence. The main drawback of living in the countryside is the lack of easy access to public transportation. Displacement. The act of moving something or someone from its original position or place. Example sentence. The construction of the new highway resulted in the displacement of several families living in the area. Strike a balance. To find a middle ground or suitable compromise between two or more opposing or conflicting things or ideas. Example sentence. As a student, it's essential to strike a balance between studying for exams and taking breaks to avoid burnout.
Hey Sarah, have you been following the latest news about space exploration missions?
Hi, Alex. Not really, but I find space stuff fascinating. What's happening?
Well, there are some exciting missions planned. NASA is preparing to send astronauts back to the moon. They want to establish a sustainable base there.
Wow, that's incredible. But why the moon?
The moon can serve as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. It's closer to Earth, so it'll help us test technologies and learn how to live and work in space for longer periods.
That makes sense. But living on the moon sounds challenging.
Definitely. They'll need to bring everything with them, like food, water, and oxygen. However, they're also looking into using the resources available on the moon, like extracting water from ice on the lunar poles.
Smart. What about other missions?
Well, there's a James Webb Space Telescope launching soon. It will be the most powerful telescope ever sent to space, helping us learn more about distant galaxies and maybe even find signs of life on other planets.
Amazing. I wonder if one day we could live on another planet like Mars.
It's a possibility. Some researchers are studying how to make Mars habitable for humans. But it's a big challenge, and we need to be careful not to harm the Martian environment.
Space exploration is full of possibilities and responsibilities. I hope they find ways to protect these new worlds.
Me too. It's an exciting time for space exploration. And who knows, maybe one day we'll get to visit these places ourselves.
That would be a dream come true. Thanks for updating me, Alex. Let's keep an eye on those missions.
Definitely. Let's explore the universe from our own planet for now and see where the future takes us.
Agreed. Space truly is the final frontier. Sustainable. Able to be maintained at a certain level or rate without causing harm to the environment or depleting natural resources. Example sentence. The space agency is working on developing sustainable life support systems to ensure the astronauts can live on the moon for extended periods. Stepping stone. A step or stage in the process that helps to reach a higher goal or level. Example sentence. The moon can act as a stepping stone for future space missions to Mars and beyond, allowing scientists to test new technologies and gain experience in space exploration. Extracting. Removing or obtaining something by applying effort or using a process to separate it from its surroundings. Example sentence. Scientists are researching methods for extracting water from the lunar ice to provide a vital resource for the astronauts on the moon. Lunar. Relating to or connected with the moon. Example sentence. The lunar surface has unique challenges due to its low gravity and extreme temperature variations. Habitable. Suitable or fit for living or being inhabited by humans. Example sentence. Before considering human colonization on Mars, scientists need to determine if the planet has any areas that are potentially habitable and safe for humans.
Listen to the lessons repeatedly to think in English and automatic speaking. Repetition is very, very important to become fluent. You need to speak English fluently without translating in your head. The words should come out of your mouth automatically. So, this is where the repetition comes in. If you repeat the same vocabulary and sentences many times, you will become a master of this vocabulary and grammar. So, you will be able to use that words automatically, without thinking about grammar rules and without translating vocabulary in your head. In order to think in English, you must repeat vocabulary and sentences as much as you can. After lots of repetition, eventually you will start to think English in your head and improve your speaking skills. As I mentioned before, we use the question and answer method repeatedly in our short story lessons. So you will listen to the vocabulary and sentences many times in the same lesson.